bricks. Yeah, that boy is strong. Swag ain't never off. Button stay flipped on.
Man, shut this shit up, cuz. Fuck all them niggas. Fuck is a pretty boy, dog. See how long a pretty boy lasts in prison. OTB in the building, nigga. Hard body, nigga. Get it right.
You pussy boys want some products, man, y'all can get it. 17 and running with some motherfucking pistols. I'm a motherfucking menace, keep pretty boys out your business. MAJ, E-John, LJ, y'all some big news. LJ my nigga, but you rapping with some pussies. But care a lot about the age just to give me pussy. Take the dick out your throat, speak up who you dissing. Working in the booth, second job in the kitchen. Schoolboy ass nigga never got a damn suspension. Stay in school, nigga, only rap what you living. Your fan base up from all them little damn children. When Jalen I just left, I bet it hurt your fucking feelings, nigga.
OTB, dick in the booty, rooty, pooty ass nigga. You ain't really chasing paper, you ain't really getting figures, boy. Now watch me take a pretty boy and leave them pretty bloody niggas talking out they ass. Finna make my niggas bust it. You ain't buy shit, nigga. Gon' suck a dick, that's all you niggas good for. Looking pretty independent. I take your bitch, let her hit the whole clip. Have her sucking on my dick, then she kiss you in your shit. So get the picture, you fucking with really niggas. If it's beef, you can get it. Catch your mama early morning shitting. And you ain't never seen a brick. Stay in school, boy. Learn about what you did, my nigga. Bitch, he exposed it.
It ain't no hiding niggas. It ain't no hiding niggas. Y'all really want the beef? They come a tries, nigga. Back then, y'all were pussy and y'all still live. Your sister tried to throw the pussy, instead I took the head. The bitch said he could fuck your mama in her own bed. PBT stand for pussy boy fucking team. Y'all ain't about that life. Don't come and holler at us. When y'all get body, maybe y'all can holler at us. They said that they body, my niggas, they body. We catching the bodies, our body been body. You niggas, he talking, these niggas are pussy, these niggas are rookies. Nigga fuck that, nigga run his mouth jail like a 4 flat. Nigga fuck that, nigga come back with a 4-5 bitch, I bust that. Take a picture with your bitch, I'm cold that. Niggas be talking, they wrote that. My niggas be about that warfare. Nigga come through, yeah, we'll bust that. No time for games, these niggas lanes. Man, hard body, we go insane. If it ain't studio matter, then it ain't shit. Talking about that, I fucking bitch, oh lord. Back in the bitch and they said that they body, my niggas, they got it. We toting the 40s, we killing these niggas. My pistol for body to be back in the bitch. Beast Montana, aka Beast. Hard body T.O. motherfucker. Y'all just wanted us some victims of this shit. Anybody next? Let my nigga OTB get on this bitch too.
What's good, man? It's your boy Old Town Bound. They already know what it is with me, man. I ain't even got this plain shit to you, dog. Let the track speak for itself, dog. I'm gonna just pass this shit to my nigga T.
And this little T, man. I'm in this bitch, dog. Y'all ain't ready for it. Y'all ain't ready for it. Y'all ain't ready for it. You pussy boy ain't making no noise. Yeah, man.
Hard body in this bitch, man.
Y'all ain't ready for y'all boys ain't making no noise.
Shout out to Ray Long.
Man, you already know. My nigga, free my nigga 21, man.
Hey.
Man, Beast back on this bitch. This shot's out to Jello. Showing love. Appreciate that. We got you.
Jello. It's your boy Old Town Bound, man. You get much love from your boy.
Man, you get pretty much love, man. It's your boy Lil T. Shout out Jello. Of course, we in this bitch, dog. Hard body. You pussy boys ain't making no noise.